everybody, this is Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and I'm here with my guest Jamie from ResslerMania, and today we are going to unbox a Panasonic microwave to replace our Kenmore. We're going to downsize, so we're going to a 1.2 cubic foot instead of our 2 cubic foot microwave. We chose the Panasonic NN-SN651B. The B is for black. They also make this model in white, and that model number would end with a W. So enjoy.
All right, let's get on with the unboxing.
Got the safety scissors here.
All right, so let's see what we have in here. Dun, dun, dun. All right.
We're starting with the tray in the rotating tray. The one we have right now doesn't rotate, so it's not heating very evenly. The required packaging. Oh, paper over top.
Ooh.
Are we going to sit this down, or how are we getting it out?
Well, figure we tilt this thing forward and see if we can pull it right out. All right, so this is what we have. We're gonna try to pull it out. All right.
I'm getting on the other side.
Okay. Ready? 1,
No.
2, 3, 5, 7, 2. All right. Perfect. All right, so this is what we got. And
Take this film off here.
okay.
Another one of the reasons that I chose this model is the control panel right here is very similar to the one that we have, and I just was too lazy to learn a lot of new buttons. So inside, we have the instructions. And it just looks like a typical old microwave.
All right.
We ready to plug it in?
Absolutely. So let's go to our kitchen counter, plug it in, and see what we got.
Let's go. Well, we made it into the kitchen. The microwave is pretty light, so let's plug it in and move it back to where it's going to be. Yep, that's where it goes. Now let's look and see if we can set the time on this. I think you press the time clock button twice, and it is 12:11. And we'll just press it again and see if that works. Good. And let's see, we'll put the plate in. Now to get my lunch out so that we can see if this works. Today I'm going to be warming up the Italian Buddha bowl. I'm really going to have to make a video on this because it is absolutely fantastic. In the old microwave, I'd have to put it in for 4 minutes and then stir it a lot so that it would be heated completely through. Since this is a 1200 watt microwave and it's brand new, let's start with 222 and see where that gets us. Oh, the plate is spinning. That is a good sign. The bell is a little on the quieter side, a little quieter than our other one anyway. Let's see how we did. Not steaming, that is a very good sign. Steaming a bit. Well, I need to give it a taste here. Yeah, that's ready to be eaten. I like my food hot. And just in 2 minutes, that is hot. So, way to go, Panasonic. Thank you for joining me and Jamie from ResslerMania for the unboxing of the Panasonic microwave. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell for me. We'd really appreciate that. See you next time.